All right, there just could be so much better confluence for compound right now. So let's just start from scratch. Just start from complete scratch. I'm gonna hide all this shit. Okay, just hide everything. Okay, compound Bitcoin pair. Okay, right out the gate. Just now cleared the global point of control right here. All right, let's go to the daily. We just back tested and sitting on top of the global point of control. It's our first day actually closing on top of it. Sorry, let me fix this. Boom, we're now above it, okay? So we do have this weekly level right here that we finally have cleared. Okay, that's gonna be this, I think. These are our resistances overhead. Here is that weekly level. We're above the weekly level now. When 2 weeks prior we failed to take it, we're now overtaking it. Okay. So let's go ahead and just mark this global point of control line out, and let's go ahead and get this out the way. All right. Now let's take a look at this volume range from January 24th, 2022 till February, a whole year. So a whole year goes by, and I zoomed in. That's just as close as I can call that right there. So actually, the point of control for this is actually below the global point of control, if anything. So in volume profiles, how they work, of course, you know, we've came into this new, essentially cleared this volume profile when we made our way up through here. But now, see, we have value high all the way at 30% away. Now, what we could see, if you want to just take a look at the micro a little bit, what we have to contend with is we can do each individual volume if you like, just to be safe, you know. Okay, so we can go ahead and mark out a couple things. SR there. Why isn't it changing? I don't know why it's not changing. Should be. Oh well. Maybe it'll catch up to it. SR. Interesting enough, it's not. All right. Oh, now it wants to refresh and do its thing, huh? SR. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I had a there. Yeah, it's lagging behind pretty good. Come on. Finally. Okay. So one more volume profile to get through over here. I would say we need to tackle this little area right here. So map those out. Map that out. Let's map out this little guy here, which could be a lot of volume though. Ultimately, we're not really sure. Might as well map that out anyways, you know. SR. These levels to go through, and then might as well tackle this big guy right here. It's all the way up here, but still very low would be a good level to be aware of. So all in all, of course, we have these levels right here to be concerned with. But all in all, I think we're off to a really good start. Come through. I don't think it's gonna be too much. You know. And if we take a look at the volume node, I want to look at it on the Bitcoin pair has good volume here. It does. We do have to worry about that, but we're over the big major hump. But as far as the USDT pair is concerned, look at this low volume node right here. Oh yes. Trying to move in close on it, moving in on it. You know, it's about Once you hit about $75 or so, this baby should roll. So that's my conviction on compound. That is a nice, at least 20% move up there. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at right there with compound.